Good morning, chicklets. How are you guys doing today? So today we are going to be checking out the brand new RD7 camera from Haloview. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us.
Guys, for the nasty silicone. This was my first time using silicone last year, so I am quite embarrassed with how nasty it looks, but I don't think we've had any leaks, so it's doing its job. So as you can see on the previous camera, the antenna mounted directly to the back of it. So that's one of the differences between the old model and this new model we have here. Monitor. Excellent. So here is our Y splitter we saw earlier. This is where the extension cable attaches, and then we're gonna run it all the way up front here to the transmitter. So by doing this, we're essentially eliminating the length of the trailer, so 36 feet for me. I believe it's about a 45 foot cable, so even if you have a huge rig, you can still do this with yours, run it all the way from the rear to the front. And they do supply these little 3M zip ties for you to easily attach the cord to the roof so you don't have it flapping all over the place. I just have my extra cables here tied down with a couple of those, and it seems to be working well. Now, as soon as I installed that extension cable, it completely eliminated that problem. It's crystal clear, there's no stuttery, and it's real time, which is exactly what I was looking for in a backup camera. All right, final thoughts, probably what you guys have been waiting for. Yes or no, do I recommend this camera? Short answer is yes, I do recommend the camera. In general, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, especially to the end. If you haven't, give us that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, remember, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure. So make some memories.